So, what do you guys want to do today?
Your mom?
Goobers, it's time to say howdy to your favorite undersea penis, Goofy Penis.